I want to help you get the turf quality and turf health you want by sharing with you the key facts about a product that will fit perfectly into your nutritional and cultural management practices. It's Vitalnova SeaMax, one of the 5 products in the Vitalnova range that's been researched, formulated and produced in-house by ICL. In the next few minutes, I'll explain 4 things: what it is, why it's so effective, how to use it, and what you can expect to see from using it on your turf. What is SeaMax? Well, Vitalnova SeaMax is a liquid seaweed product that is based on the North Atlantic sea plant Ascophyllum nodosum. And Ascophyllum nodosum is the most researched sea plant that is used on turf. At ICL, we've invested a lot of care in sourcing precisely the right seaweed for our range. Let me explain. Firstly, the Ascophyllum nodosum seaweed in Vitalnova SeaMax is harvested responsibly and in a sustainable way by Acadian sea plants. They don't harvest beach-tossed or shore-collected seaweed, which means the final product is very consistent. Secondly, it goes through a very effective process to recover all the bioactive compounds in their most active state. This is an alkaline extraction, which produces a dark-coloured, very effective concentrate. It always amazes me that there's so many seaweed products on the market that have little or no supporting data that demonstrates their performance. For example, have a look at these 3 seaweed extracts, okay? They've all been extracted differently, they're all different colours, and hence they're going to have different content and produce a different result when you apply them to the turf. So why is it so effective? Well, at ICL, we've done the scientific groundwork. We've done lots of trials, both independently and in-house, that firstly show the value of SeaMax at encouraging rooting, especially for the developing plant. The latest research results were published in the European Journal of Turfgrass Science as part of the European Turfgrass Proceedings. It reported how Vitalnova SeaMax significantly increased the root length and root volume of young developing perennial ryegrass seedlings compared and contrasted with alternative, differently extracted seaweed solutions. SeaMax has also shown through independent trials how it can help condition your turf against abiotic stress. For example, a trial carried out on a golf green in Spain showed that a number of applications of SeaMax before a period of stress, and in this example it was drought stress from withholding irrigation, improved or significantly improved the turf quality when compared to a control. However, the product can't work miracles, and obviously even in the treatment plots the turf deteriorated in quality, but that level of deterioration wasn't as much and the turf was able to recover more quickly than the control plots. So the application of SeaMax really helped that turf through that period of stress. So, is there more to discover about the power of SeaMax? Well, there certainly is. The seaweed that is in Vitalnova SeaMax is a fundamental part of a 4-year research project we're currently carrying out with the Royal Holloway University in London. The project is examining how we can best manage the problem of plant parasitic nematodes feeding on our turf. There are very few options at present available for the turf manager to combat this pest, and it is thought that the Ascophyllum nodosum seaweed, which is alkaline extracted, can play a really important role in helping to mitigate the effects of plant parasitic nematodes on turf. We've seen this ourselves, we've heard it from customers, and we've seen it in our own trial work. This PhD is a super interesting project, trying to find out exactly what is going on. Hopefully it will help us optimize rates, optimize application frequency and timings to help manage this problem. How to use it? Well, Vitalnova SeaMax is a great tank mix partner for nutrition, for wetting agents or for other biostimulants. It can be applied all year round. We recommend a low application rate, maybe 5 to 10 litres per hectare, which still gives an effective dose of seaweed. We'd normally recommend a water volume great enough to get the product into the root zone, but foliar applications can be made as well. Undoubtedly, Vitalnova SeaMax has an important role to play for the production of high quality turf surfaces for golf and for all sports. Better rooting, more resilience to abiotic pressure, improved soil health, and even potentially reducing the effect of plant parasitic nematodes. Remember, not all seaweeds are the same, and Vitalnova SeaMax helps you deliver high quality turf surfaces.